New to the Otis family is our lens cleaning kit, and this is nice for your optics on your firearms or your binoculars, glasses, anything that you want to clean for optics cleaning. And what it has is our anti-fog lens cleaning solution, our premium lens tissue, a microfiber Otis lens cloth, a lens brush, which is a mohair brush to take lint and fiber off of the optics, and new are these break open Q-tips for precision cleaning on your optics, and they are actually filled with the anti-fog cleaning material. So what we can do is we have the optics cleaning to get in and clean those areas out. Or if you have real dirty binoculars, we can do our spray. With our lens cleaning tissue. And then for areas that are much smaller, what we have is the precision cleaners. We break them on the red line, and as you can see, the anti-fog goes to the end, and now we have a precision cleaning tool to get in and get those crevices and some of our optics that are very hard and difficult to clean.